How to return AliExpress items and then refund. So basically, for you to be able to do this method, all you have to do is just to simply just hover around the return policy first. Good thing about AliExpress is they actually have this special feature that's going to be called free return. However, there are requirements for you to follow so that you can try and take advantage with this kind of feature. So make sure that you're returning an item that has damage in it, or there are parts that are missing on your parcel or so. So first things first, you can or you have to open up a dispute within 15 days of receiving the order. Print a free return label, and then go to the designated return point, and then just have to wait for your refund. So everything can be done through their official site or through their application. Make sure just to log into your account and then just head straight into your current orders, and right there you can process a return. And that is how you return items on AliExpress and then refund an order at the same time.